This is the most powerful and most demanding speaker, computer speaker. I like this speaker, and when I saw this speaker, I saw two minimum big eye that I saw, and I will very uh, curious. That's I can see me uh, uh, on this table. When I this is the most powerful and demanding. Why? Because there's this type of speaker is more affordable and more cheap prices, and it uh, it can use very simply this computer when I plug to wire down below, and that's why that's the one plug I insert my audio plugin, and this power plugin power plugin. This is one I uh, I am very close, not close to English speaking. I will learn English speaking, but that's why you can not laugh. And please support me. Please support me, and I am try to learn and speak English very soon. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, and like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you.